Today we are here to ask and answer one simple question. How do you stake Solana using a OneKey Classic 1S? Let's find out. Guys, it's a super easy process. One thing that had me a little missed for a couple minutes is when I tapped on Solana, I saw this earn up to 5.6 APY. I tapped it and it brought me to this screen not showing anything, no protocols available. I would refresh, wasn't showing anything. Just click back to where it says DeFi. And then you'll see trending, or let's say you don't see the trending up here, you would see under assets Solana and just tap that. Over here, it shows the two staking protocols available, Everstake and Stakefish. I'm more familiar with Everstake, so I will tap on that. Once we do that, it brings you to this screen right over here. It's going to have a deposit. We can deposit 25%, 50%, 75%, 100%, or a amount that you manually type in. Just be aware, if you hit 100% and you stake everything, you will need to deposit more Solana in to be able to withdraw to pay for any type of gas fees. So for the sake of this video, what I'm going to do is come right over here and actually hit backspace a couple times. So I have some Solana still in my wallet so I can unstake whenever I need to. So now what I'm going to do is come right over here to continue and tap that. It is going to bring us to a new screen right over here, which is going to have us confirm a bunch of information. Showing my crypto wallet address right here, it's showing the asset we are staking, it's showing the amount of Solana we are staking, and it's showing the provider. Down below, it is going to show our estimated network fee, and we are going to hit confirm. The moment we do that, it is going to prompt us to take a look at our hardware wallet. This is how it will end up looking on screen. It is going to say Solana transaction, delegate, and then it's going to give us a whole bunch of numbers below. And then it's going to show the deposit amount right there. So verify that's the same on screen. And then at that point, it's just clicking through and agreeing. Once you do all of that, it's going to pop up with a, do you want to sign the transaction? Which we do. And now it's going to bring me back to the computer and we are just waiting for it to load. All right, we have officially got our confirmation that the staking is complete and we are back on the main screen. So if we come over here to history, it will show that it has successfully deposited our stake. And then if we come back over here to DeFi, go under positions, it will show our order pending. What I'm going to do right now is I am going to stop recording for a little bit, wait for this to finish activating. Once it does, I will show you the correct steps to unstake everything. This will take approximately 24 to 48 hours before I can do that. So I will see you guys in a day or so. Okay, it's officially been 48 hours and we are able to start the withdrawal process and unstake our Solana. First thing first, we're on the main page right now. We are going to come over here to DeFi, tap DeFi. We are going to go to positions. It is going to show my deposited stake Solana. It's going to show asset status, which is active. We are going to come to manage and we are going to go to withdraw. We are going to see the Solana option right here. This is our 0.96 Solana. We are going to tap withdraw. It's going to then bring us to this screen, withdraw SOL. How much? 0.96. We will be receiving 0.96 Solana. Claim available in 2 days. We are going to hit withdraw. And we are going to hit confirm. It is now going to have us verify on our hardware wallet like it did during the deposit process. So confirm, 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 confirm. And we are officially all set, done. The unstaking process is complete. Now we just have to wait for that 48 hours and then we will be able to do whatever we want with our Solana again. But hopefully you found this video helpful, guys. If you did, like, subscribe, leave a comment. Take care, spike your hair, and I do hope you have a blessed day. Peace.